How to change your Zoom background during a meeting. So firstly, launch Zoom, and once I've logged into your Zoom account, so let me get into a meeting. So just get into a meeting, just open up a meeting, and then once you're in a meeting, so what you're going to do, once I logged in here, so I'm on a meeting now, so just created this demo one. Okay, I'm just on. All right, here under the video you'll see a video option arrow there, click on it, and then here select adjust background and effects, simply select that, and then here you'll be able to see various backgrounds here that you can simply select one, click on it, and then the background will be added to your background. And apart from that, you also have this plus icon here which you can click to add your own image. Click on add image, and then you can add your own image from your computer and set it as the background. So that's how you change your background. Simply select it and then it will be applied to your background. And also apart from that, if you scroll down, you'll get to these video filters here. You'll also have quite a lot of options, background options here, which you can simply select one to apply that as your background, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.